What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Spill the Beans. I got my boy Bratz. Let's try this again. Yeah, it tilted.
Is it falling? You see that?
Yeah, it's like tilting forward or falling back or whatever it is. Yeah,
All right, is leaning forward better? Is it like chilling back fine or what?
1, 2, 3. Check, check. 1, 2, 3.
I was a theater kid. I'm good.
So you're gonna have a lot of editing.
Just a couple spots.
Is say as a developer.
Yep. Where do we? Where do they start getting loud? Oh, that's what they said.
Yeah, I know. I heard that.
Hey, what's up, guys? Tim Bratz here, and so say hey. Without, yeah, just the hey, huh. Hope this is helpful. Until next time, see you. Hang on. Limited partners have no say, no voting power typically, this piece of shit building is torn down.
Yeah, what are they doing with it?
I don't know. We need to buy it and tear it down and build on it. But I mean, it actually wouldn't be that bad if you threw a little bit some updated windows in, and it's a piece of shit. It just needs paint. It's amazing what a coat of paint. Like, even if you, I don't know. I mean, they're probably in the process of tearing it down and building it. Let's do this. 2022, off to a great start. Hang on.
Did that hurt?
What? A little bit, no. All right. Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, I'm coming to you actually in the middle of my commercial empire event. Fuck. Ready? All right. It's based, I'm sorry.
Go ahead. Yep.
It's based on fuck. Let me show you. Wealthy people play to win. They play to make a lot of money. They're on the abundance. Wealthy people play to win. They're on the abundance offensive to make as much money, and they're focusing on growth instead of attrition. No, is that the right word? I don't know. They're focusing on growth instead of scarcity. Growth instead of, yeah. What do I mean by that? I don't want to say what do I mean by that. Right? I remember going to bed with like gel in your hair, like in college and stuff, and I'd be like, oh man.
Yeah, both of my older sons have hair just like I did in high school, and I'm like, I feel for y'all.
Yeah, enjoy it while you got it. Enjoy it while it lasts.
No,
I wish I had skinny enough legs to wear those, man. Yeah, I can't do this.
Just
dude, I have really thick thighs.
Do you squats
and
a lot?
calves. Yeah, a lot.
I thought I was recording that whole time.
How about just get bigger jeans? They'll fit.
Yeah.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Can you see my hands or anything like that? I've done hundreds and hundreds of deals, transacted thousands and thousands. Yeah. Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, listen, I have transacted hundreds and hundreds of real estate deals, literally thousands and thousands of doors, full cycle, from start to beginning. And I was just on a podcast.
Start to beginning.
What?
Start to finish. You said start to beginning.
Oh, shit, okay. Listen, I have transacted hundreds and hundreds of real estate deals, literally thousands and thousands of doors, full cycle, from start to finish. And I have, fuck, you messed me up. For real this time, we're gonna get this one done. Hey guys, Tim Bratz here. Listen, I have transacted thousands and thousands of apartment deals, real estate deals. I have, you gotta walk away.
Okay, hang on. Oh, sorry.
You gotta start doing some shoulder exercises, huh? Yeah. All right, 20 seconds. What is the best way to scale from single family into multifamily? And if you want to understand how, I was on a roll.
And in order to do that, you gotta learn at Commercial Empire. It's my 3-day training on how to scale into from single family into multifamily. Fucked up at the end though. You gotta learn how to find off-market, direct-to-seller deals where you can connect direct, shit, all right. If you're having a hard time finding off, if you're having a hard time, are you okay? Fuck, I gotta, because hers just keeps rolling and she can just cut it, but you need to stop and start, right? You gotta plug into my Commercial Empire 3-day virtual boot camp.
Got it.
Yeah, I kind of just stopped awkwardly,
Yeah, let's
You were like,
solid.
3-day
Boot camp?
virtual boot camp.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm prepared to do that today. I don't know if I'm mentally ready for that.
It'll be great.
I gotta think about what I'm gonna say now. Hang on.
Okay.
Just kidding.
I've raised over $90 million of it. Fuck. Try it again. I raised over $90 million from private individuals for real estate deals. I know that Fuck.
It's okay. Hang on 1 second.
All right. People walking by. I've raised over $90 million for. I raised over $90 million for real estate of private money.
What do I even do?
I'm really good at just like talking for an hour, but I can't fucking focus on 15 seconds. I know that private lenders focus on the asset, the return, and the credibility of the borrower.
And the third thing.
I don't like that you're laughing so hard at that. You got involved in an apartment built. You got to check out a Commercial Empire. It's my 3-day virtual boot camp on how to scale into apartment buildings.
Perfect. 15 seconds.
Cool.
Would you mind doing that one more time?
You fucking Cameron. Fuck.
No, there was a little stutter there.
Yeah, there was.
But that was
I
great
appreciate the
content.
perfection. The pursuit of perfection.
Rolling. And hang on 1 second. Sorry. Sound.
Yeah, there's a lot of loudness to it. The value add apartment process is both a science and an art. If you want to learn how to fuck, let me try it again. Oh man, I just came out to talking. Fuck, there's a bunch more people coming in.
Whenever you're ready.
Hey, this is Tim Bratz. As the year winds down, we wanted to share some memorable moments from 2020. Fuck, hang on. Hey, this is Tim Bratz. As the year winds down, we wanted to share some memorable moments from 2021.
One more time and more space after.
Memorable.
Or hey, this is Tim Bratz. Space.
Okay. Hey, this is Tim Bratz. We wanted to share some memorable moments from 2021. Fuck. Hey, this is Tim Bratz. As the year winds down, we wanted to share some memorable moments from 2021.
Nailed it.
All right, cool. Yo, you're good. Thank you.
Okay, and we're recording.
Okay.
What's up?
What's going on, Tim?
How are you?
How are you?
Good to see you.
You too. How you been?
Welcome to Spill the Beans.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Sorry, guys.
Failed?
Go one more time.
Was that not
You're
good?
taller than I thought. Me?
I am? Or she is?
Well, obviously.
Both of I had to be on my tippy toes. All right. What's up, guys? Hang on. I feel weird with people here. What's that?
That was cute.
That was cute. Ding dong. Hi.
Eating like, you know, pho at like 11 o'clock, going, yeah,
Yep.
I'm like, fuck, dude, I gotta start working out.
How long has it been so far?
9:46.
Yeah, fuck. This went a lot longer than I thought. Appreciate you. Love you. Make 2022 the best one you've ever done. Appreciate you. Love you. Make 2022 the best year you've ever had. No. Appreciate you. Love you. Make 2022 your best year yet. Be your best.
If you're having a hard time finding off, fuck! Again.
I can't wait to make a blooper video of this.